Look at your pet right now. When they stare at you while you're working, typing, or paying bills, what are they actually thinking? Do they look at our warm houses, our endless food, and our iPhones and think, man, I wish I was them? Do animals suffer from an existential crisis? Do they look at humans and feel lesser? Today, we are diving into the weird psychology of the animal kingdom to answer a question we've all secretly wondered. Do animals wish they were human? As humans, we have a massive ego. We've spent centuries practicing anthropomorphism, a fancy word for projecting our own human emotions onto things that aren't human. When your dog tears up the couch and gives you those big guilty eyes, you think, wow, he feels so bad. Science says, no, he doesn't. He's just reacting to your angry body language. So if they don't even feel guilt the way we do, can they even comprehend what it means to be human? To wish you were something else, you first have to understand that you exist. In psychology, we test this using the mirror test. If you put a red mark on an animal's forehead and show them a mirror, most animals think it's a stranger. But dolphins, elephants, magpies, and chimps, they look in the mirror and touch their own forehead. They have a concept of self. Great apes even understand that humans have different thoughts than them. So a chimp knows you are different, but do they feel inferior? Animals absolutely feel unfairness. Take this famous study. When one monkey gets a cucumber and the other gets a delicious grape for doing the exact same task, the cucumber monkey literally throws a tantrum. They understand when they are getting a bad deal. But here's the catch. A dog doesn't look at a human driving a sports car and think, my life is a failure because I don't have a Ferrari. Animals live in the absolute present. They experience jealousy over immediate resources, food, mates, territory. They don't have the cognitive architecture to build a concept of social status relative to another species. To feel lesser, you need a narrative. You need a voice in your head saying, I should be doing better in life. Animals are spared from this specific human curse. But there's a dark twist to this. While wild animals don't wish to be human, captive animals often wish they weren't where they are. When intelligent animals are trapped in human environments, they develop something called zoochosis. They pace, they self-harm, they rock back and forth. They aren't wishing to be human. If anything, they are suffering from the consequences of humans. They don't want our lifestyle, they want their freedom back. So, do animals wish they were humans? No, not even close. And honestly, we should be jealous of them. Human intelligence is a superpower, but it comes with a tax. We are the only species that lies awake at 3 a.m. wondering if we are wasting our lives. Animals don't need to think in dots. They are already perfectly connected to the bigger picture. A wolf doesn't want to be a king. It is entirely content being a wolf. If your pet could talk for just 10 seconds, what do you think they would say to you? Let me know in the comments below. If this video made you look at your dog or cat a little differently today, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep connecting the dots. See you in the next one.